Welcome back. Ponda Police arrested a shop owner from Kurti, Ponda, Sachin Naik, in an alleged racket involving sale of rice procured for the midday meal scheme. He has been given 5 days police custody. Truck driver Vittal Janu Kasture and driver Jyotiba Botekar are also arrested. Police have seized rice bags and other packaging machinery.
Ponda Police arrested Sachin Naik from Kurti in alleged racket involving the sale of rice procured for midday meal scheme. Truck driver Vittal Janu Kasture and driver Jyotiba Botekar are also arrested in this connection. It was also brought to the notice that the owner of Godown had no license for trade. Police have seized 527 bags of 50 kgs each. Similarly, other packing machinery has also been attached.
गव्हर्नमेंटाचे हे साकाचे पिशव्यो आसल्यो आनी तितून तांदूळ आसले आनी थोडे पिशव्यो तेंच्यांनी प्लास्टीक दुसऱ्या धव्या पिशव्यान घालून तो गाडयेन भरतालो एका ट्रकान ताका आमी वचून विचारलें थंयसर सचिन नायक म्हणून आसलो तो तेजी ओन प्रिमायसीस ती आनी थंयसर तो सगळो धंदो करतालो ताका जेन्ना आमी विचारलें जाल्यार तो सांगपाक लागलो की हेजे आपल्या कडेन लायसन ना कांय ना म्हणून फक्त आपूण हे माल घेता सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा कडल्यान माल घेता आनी मागीर फुडें घालता इतलेंच आनी ताका डॉक्युमेंट्स प्रोड्यूस कर म्हटल्यार तो आपल्या कडेन कांय डॉक्युमेंट्स ना म्हणटालो and civil supply permission asa म्हटल्यार ना म्हणपाक लागलो.
Sachin Naik had earlier alleged that rice quota provided by Education Department is received by self-help group and is then bought by him. These are some of the names of self-help groups that have come to the fore. Mahila Ekta Self-Help Group from Madkai, Shanta Durga Self-Help Group Kaule, Shivbha Self-Help Group Kapileshwari and Kapileshwari Self-Help Group from Kapileshwari. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Accountants working for the state have major role in budgeting, tax valuation and preparing reports, on the basis of which government takes financial decisions. But the question is, are the accountants working for Goa government well up to date? If the statement of President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries is to be believed, the answer is no.
Mangirish Pairaikar, President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, talking in a seminar, has said something which has raised a question on ability of accountants working for the Goa government.
Recently, the Chief Minister of the state said that he settled with the accountants in his department, which are not conducive to the present day changes. He wanted us to conduct training programs for them. We are already initiating the process.
Now, the question is, how state government is working with such bunch of accountants who are not well up to date. Accountants have responsibility to make reports, on the basis of which government takes financial decisions. Though Parrikar government has decided to take help of the private professionals to train government accountants, as of now, the question of ability of such accountants will keep haunting the state administration. With camera person Sushant Paul, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Murgaon Taluka Civil Supplies Office is in a mess. Small office area and many to cater to. Both the government officials and the people are facing a problem. They have demanded a permanent solution. Surendra Madkaikar reports.
This crowded civil supply office is seen almost in all talukas. The queue starts from 8 in the morning to get their work done. These visuals are from Murgaon Civil Supply Office. Government officials claim that almost 400 to 500 people visit them every day. They complain that the office area is too small to cater to.
एक सिंगल रूम आणि हांगा पळय स्टाफ बसलेले आसता तुवें आतां व्हेरीफाय केले आसतले लोक दिसाक 400 ते 500 अटेंड जाता वेरियस वर्क इन्क्लूजन डिलिशन करेक्शन आनी गॅस कोण गॅस येस नो करेक्ट करपा येता गॅस थोडी आतां तर गॅस न मेळ्ळ्या कारणान प्रत्येक जाण सेपरेट रेशन कार्डाक वता त्या भायर हांगा मोस्टली मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यान स्लम एरिया चड आसल्या कारणान लोकांची अशी लूट पडटा इतलें कंजेस्टेड.
The local citizens coming to this office are also facing the inconvenience.
पयले सुवातेर म्हणटा ते प्लेस इज व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल हिंगा म्हाका 500 जाण बसल्या तो प्लेस जो 500 जाणांक दिला तो एक मनशाक फावो so it is the problem is not only for the locals, the problem there even the staff is facing lots of problem due to lack of proper place. And I request the authorities to arrange for a place where you can adjust the staff as well as the locals who are facing lots of difficulties, and especially now due to all this gas problem, then housewife thing, people are going for all the whatever corrections required for in the ration cards.
Civil supply office हे 4x3 एक ऑफिस आसा जे मुरगांव तालुक्याक केटर करता. मुरगांव तालुक्यात जवळ 37,000 रेशन कार्ड आसा आणि 37,000तले रेशन कार्ड दिसाक जवळ 500 ते लोक हांगसर आपली कामां घेवन येयल्ली आसतात. भितर 5 जण स्टाफ आसा. ह्या 4x3 रुमान ह्या ऑफिसांतल्या कारणान भितर स्टाफ आणि लोक त्यांच्या मदींच गचमुट्टी जाल्ली आसा. त्या भायर त्यांचे रिकॉर्ड्स आसा. इतलो प्रॉब्लेम फेस करता की लोकांकूय त्रास आणि स्टाफाकूय त्रास. सरकार हेची दखल घेतलो काय कितें आणि नवो हांगसरल्यान शिफ्ट करतलो काय कितें, लोकांक सुविधा करून दितलो काय कितें. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has asked the government to reinstate messengers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Employees under the scheme complained that they are being sacked. Now, Sardesai has threatened that if government fails to reinstate them, then he would petition the Union Rural Development Minister to take cognizance of the matter.
A group of messengers working under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act complained that they have been sacked from the job. They met Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai and asked him to look into the matter as soon as possible.
3 वर्स कंप्लीट जावन 4थें वर्स लागता काम करपाक लागल्या आनी आमी पंचायतांतले काम करता आनी सगळीं बायलीं काम करतालीं. सायड चोयतालीं जावं BPL आर्किंग घर सोदपाक वयतालीं. सगळे आमी काम करतालीं आनी आमी तितून काम करता आसतना आयच्या दिसा आमी पंचायतान येनाक म्हूण तेमी कामां येनाक म्हूण. सर आतां आमी कितें करतलीं, आमगे भुरगीं बी आहाय, आमी पोसपाक आमी भुरग्यांक आमी तेच कामां पुसता पोसतालीं. आतां आमकां आयजून येनाक म्हणपाक लागलीं, आमगे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट रिन्यू करना म्हणपाक लागलीं.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has assured to look into the matter. He has decided that if state government doesn't act, then he will appeal before the union government to solve the problem of the Goan youth.
आज परिवर्तन सरकार, बीजेपीचो सरकार हे भुरग्यांक टर्मिनेट करूंक सोदता आनी म्हजें एलिगेशन अशें आहा की टर्मिनेट करून ही UPH सरकाराची स्कीम मारूंक सोदता. म्हजो डिमांड आहा सरकारा कडेन की सरकारान ज्या डिक्लेअर करचें की तांची सर्विसीस कंटिन्यू जातली आनी जर ते डिक्लेअर करना जाल्यार आमी वी विल पिटिशन द युनियन रुरल डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर जयराम रमेश टू रिकन्सिडर ऑल ग्रांट्स गिवन इन अंडर RDA to Goa government.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.